Dear students, welcome to virtual classroom of Municipal Corporation of Greater Mumbai. I am Sri Kumar. The class is for 10th standard students. Subject is mathematics. Let me begin the class.
You learned about what is mean by arithmetic progression. More than that, you understood how to find out nth term in the case of arithmetic progression, and you also got a formula to find out nth term. If I remember, that was completed at that time. The nth term can be calculated or found by the formula Tn. T stands for term, N stand for nth term, whichever number, and a plus n minus 1 into d. This was the formula where a is the first term, n is the number of term of nth term, which one you are trying to find out. D is the difference between. There is a common difference between the consecutive term. That is why we could develop this formula. Now here you will be learning little more about arithmetic progression, little more interesting way and little more useful way. On the screen you can see that it is given months here, and here is 1, 2, 3 months are the Tara salary, Meera salary. This Tara and Meera are teachers in your textbook, and teacher Tara and teacher Meera we can say. And these 100, 200, 10, 20, all these are their salary, not in rupees, in gold coins. Okay, now the story in your textbook is talking about a wise teacher. वाइस टीचर तो वाइस होना ही होना है. अब इसमें एक टीचर थोड़ा ज़्यादा ही वाइस हो गया, उसका स्टोरी है. स्टोरी यू विल रीड इन योर टेक्स्ट बुक after posting the video or after the video, up to you. Now Tara teacher asked a salary of 100 rupees per month, but said that I want every month the salary increases by 100 rupees. तो इसलिए इनका सैलरी देखो बढ़ते 100 रुपीज़ बढ़ते जा रहे हैं, क्योंकि थारा टीचर को अरिथमेटिक प्रोग्रेशन बहुत अच्छा लगता है. अरिथमेटिक प्रोग्रेशन में क्या होता है, द डिफरेंस बिटवीन द कॉन्सिक्यूटिव टर्म्स विल बी हैविंग ए कांस्टेंट डिफरेंस. बट मेरा टीचर वैसा नहीं है. मेरा टीचर को कुछ दूसरा प्रोग्रेशन अप्लाई किया. वो क्या है, मेरा टीचर सेड आई नीड जस्ट 10 गोल्ड कॉइन्स इन द फर्स्ट मंथ, बट आई नीड द डबल ऑफ दैट नेक्स्ट मंथ, एंड डबल ऑफ दैट नेक्स्ट मंथ, एंड डबल ऑफ दैट नेक्स्ट मंथ. सुनने में अच्छा लगता है, क्योंकि जस्ट 10 गोल्ड कॉइन से इधर टीचर काम करना शुरू करते हैं. कौन, अपना मेरा टीचर. बट by paying 100 gold coins we appoint Tara teacher. Naturally this becomes a little more attractive for the employer. School trust के लिए ये अच्छा लगेगा. So they appointed Meera teacher because she asked for a lower salary. Not a good reason, but it happened so. But it so happened that Meera teacher was really the wise teacher here. At the end of 9th month, the employer realized that the Meera teacher is drawing a salary of 2,560 gold coins. At that time, Tara teacher is drawing a salary of 900 rupees. And you know that next month Tara teacher will be getting 1,000 gold coins. Here Meera teacher will be getting 5,120 gold coin. कुछ समझ में आया? So Meera teacher also applied some kind of progression in that, where we can see that if you write 20 upon 10 it is equal to 2, 40 upon 20 that is also equal to 2. Even if you take 2560 upon 1280 it is also equal to 2. So if you try to find out the ratio between these two data, any two consecutive data, what you took, ratio, one divided by the other, you get a constant. We can write like the term n plus next one. That is, for example, if you are taking term n as 640, the next one is 128. So that you will write first upon term n, that is one behind, you will be having a constant ratio. Simply speaking, T1 and T2, which are consecutive terms, they will be giving a constant value. Such progression or such a progression is named as, it is not arithmetic progression, it is named as geometric progression. तो मेरा टीचर ज्योमेट्रिक प्रोग्रेशन के हिसाब से सैलरी मांगा, तारा टीचर अरिथमेटिक प्रोग्रेशन के हिसाब से सैलरी मांगा, and मेरा टीचर became wise because her salary will double every month and good salary she will get. लेकिन आपका वरी वो नहीं है, ज्योमेट्री प्रोग्रेशन के बारे में भी now you have to study, लेकिन not in your class. आगे अब मैथ्स अगर सब्जेक्ट लेके आप अगर कॉलेज में पढ़ते हैं तो आप ज्योमेट्री प्रोग्रेशन का बारे में ज़्यादा पढ़ेंगे, नॉट ओनली इन मैथ्स बट ऑल्सो इन साइंस. Okay, let us go ahead. So this was an introduction to geometry progression and understanding of arithmetic progression in our day-to-day life. Now, इससे आपको और कुछ नहीं है. Let us go ahead. Oh, here is another slide which is showing you somebody's picture. The great mathematician, German mathematician Johann Friedrich Karl Gauss, who lived in during the year 1777, say 1855 he was on this earth. He is a great mathematician and he is from Germany, and he developed a formula related to arithmetic progression. I will just read out. He showed a glimpse of his intelligence in Butner School का नाम है. After some years, Butner, who is having the school, Butner's helper, John Martin Bartel, and Gauss, this fellow, became friends. Together they published a book on algebra. Bartels made the other people realize the extraordinary intelligence of Gauss. क्या है ये extraordinary इंटेलिजेंस? इधर एक इम्पॉर्टेंट चीज़, ही वॉज द ओनली सन ऑफ अनएजुकेटेड पेरेंट्स. उनका माँ बाप भी उतने पढ़े लिखे नहीं था, एंड ही शोड इज एक्स्ट्रा इंटेलिजेंट, एक्स्ट्रा ऑर्डिनरी इंटेलिजेंस टू द वर्ल्ड, एंड वी आर ब्लेस्ड बाय इट, आई वुड से. व्हाट इज इट? हमको भी उनका फ़ोटो इधर रख के पढ़ाना अच्छा है भाई, उतना रिस्पेक्ट हमको देना ही पड़ेगा. Because of such people we are enjoying a lot nowadays or understanding a lot nowadays. What happened was, ये जो टीचर्स है ना, मैं इंक्लूडिंग मी, कभी कभी ऐसा होता है कि आपको एंगेज रखना है क्लास में. यू शुड बी एंगेज्ड, नहीं तो आप कुछ बात करके डिस्टर्ब करेंगे दूसरों को, या आप खुद को डिस्टर्ब करेंगे, टीचर को डिस्टर्ब करेंगे. तो टीचर क्या सोचते, कुछ काम दे दो इनको, गिव सम वर्क सो दैट दे विल रिमेन साइलेंट. तो ये कार्ल गॉस का टीचर भी यही सोचा. उनका टीचर का नाम है वो बटनर. उन्होंने सोचा, उनका एक असिस्टेंट भी है बॉर्टल. उन्होंने सोचा एक काम करेंगे. ये टीचर सोचा कि कुछ टीचर्स ये बच्चों को एंगेज करने के लिए कुछ काम देंगे. सो ही सेड, डू वन थिंग, आप लोग एक काम कर लीजिए. व्हाट वाज ही आस्क्ड? ही आस्क्ड दैट यू ऐड एडिशन तो बहुत इसी काम है. 1 to 100 है, मतलब 1 से लेके 100 तक का नंबर्स को ऐड करना है. कैसे ऐड करना है फिर? 1 + 2 + 3 + 4 + 5 बैठ के ऐड करो. सोचा कि नाउ द चिल्ड्रन विल टेक टाइम एंड आई कैन कंप्लीट माई अदर वर्क एंड दे विल नॉट डिस्टर्ब ईच अदर. बट व्हाट हैपेंड वाज, अपना जो हीरो ऑफ दैट टाइम कार्ल, मुझे उनका नाम एक बार लिखने दो, अदरवाइज वी विल नेवर राइट सच नेम विदाउट एनी स्पेलिंग हियर. GAUSS. This student in the class completed the work of adding the numbers 1 to 100 in few minutes. टीचर तो अपना काम करने के लिए बुक खोला नहीं, अपना कुछ देखने के लिए इधर उधर देखा नहीं, तब तक कार्ल गॉस completed the work. Teacher was astonished. How did you do it so quickly? कितना जल्दी कैसे किया? व्हाट इज आंसर? उन्होंने बोला 5050। अभी टीचर का काम हो गया ये चेक करना है। टीचर was surprised to see that it was right, and how did you find the answer so quickly, Gauss? He told that I know that if you write 1, 2, 3, 4 like this up to 100, it will go like this, right? And if I write the reverse 100, 1 के नीचे 100, 1 के नीचे 100, 99, 98, मतलब रिवर्स में लिख रहे। 1 to 100 इधर से उधर तक लिखा, 100 to 1 रिवर्स में लिखा। फिर बोला ये टोटल करेगा तो हर जगह पे 101 आएगा, करेक्ट? तो कितना रहेगा ये 101? 100 इंटू 101, सॉरी, हाँ करेक्ट। तो क्या हो गया 10100। दिस विल बी द टोटल, because 101 100 times. But what happened? We have taken this 1 to 100 one time, then this 1 to 100 one time, 2 time 1 to 100 बोला किया है। टीचर ने बोला एक टाइम, बट हाफ दिस, आधा करो, आंसर मिल गया 5050। टीचर astonished, oh what a brilliant boy, and he contributed more to the field of arithmetic progression. What is that? If this is true, why can't we apply this formula? So if Carl Gauss did is an idea, why can't we apply it to the already learned system? What was it? We know how to find out nth term, and we also know now how to sum up n terms. We are trying to apply it. We know that if you have to add the sum of n terms, we should add it in such a way that a, the first term, the next term will be a plus d, correct? And it will be always like this, d will be, here there is no d. Yeah, when it is first term it is a plus d, and this is second term, the a plus 1d, and always it will be a plus n minus 1d, like that we will go on. सेकंड टर्म के लिए इधर 1 आएगा तो थर्ड टर्म के लिए इधर 2d आएगा, करेक्ट? सो दिस इज 1 to 100 तक ऐसा आपको जो एग्जाम्पल पहले बताया था। द सेम वे इफ यू थिंक इन द ऑपोजिट, द लास्ट टर्म if you write like this, the term before that will be n minus 1, and it will go like that. And if you add both, just like how Gauss did, we can put it in arithmetically like this. And if we continue adding it, same thing will happen. We will get 2 times of the sum is equal to a particular format, this format. If it is only one time you have to get, you have to divide it with 2. So thereby we could develop a formula to find out the sum of n terms, with a formula n upon 2, and the formula derived 2a plus n minus 1 into t. If this is true, that formula, after rearranging using the properties and all, this is nothing with you, for you don't have to prove this, but you have to understand and you should know to present it. But the formula which we already derived, okay, we can rearrange it and get a new formula where it is the old formula is this and the new formula becomes like this. These two formulas you will by heart. Any one of the formula you can use conveniently, whichever is convenient for you, up to you, so that you will get correct answer of sum of n numbers. So we will be applying the formula, that is what is developed now. It's a very simple sum here for you. In the formula it is given that find the sum of all odd numbers from 1 to 150. First number is 1, difference is 2, and the total of 150 odd numbers. So we know that as it is odd numbers are alternative numbers, right? So we also know that the last number will be 149. So the n is nth term is 149. This is what is nth term. First term is 1. Number of terms that we will be finding out now, how many terms are there, we know it, but by formula we will get the number of terms is equal to 75. Okay, so that is this formula you have already studied, we applied. This is the formula we mainly used in the last video, and in the last exercise you were supposed to apply. I think you have done it, otherwise you can pause the video here, go to the last video and understand it and do it, complete the exercise and come back. Now we got there are 75 terms in this arithmetic progression. We will apply that here. We are supposed to put the values over here, number of terms. I will write it over here, there is no enough space over there. Number of terms we got it as 75 upon 2. I am filling here into 2 into the first term is 1 plus number of terms 75 minus 1 into d is equal to 2, because it is odd terms, 2 difference. A plus idhar hai. What happened? 75 upon 2 into 2 into 75 minus 1, 148 मिल जाएगा आपको, क्यों? ये 74 into 2 मिलेगा. This is plus. So it is here 75 upon 2 into 150, which is equal to 75 into 75. That will be the answer. Let us go to the other formula developed, where we will be writing, this is also given, here it will become 75 upon 2 into 150, right? It is also 75 into 75. 75 into 75 कितना होता होगा? 5 5s are 25. Here it is 37, 35, 3, 52. Correct. This is the answer for the question. 6 and 5. So you will write the answer 5, 6, 2, 5. Answer is not important here. Formula apply करने से 1 to 150 तक का ऑड नंबर्स का टोटल बिना एक सिंपल फार्मूला में सब्स्टिट्यूट करके मिल सकता है. दैट इज़ द इम्पोर्टेंस ऑफ दिस अरिथमेटिक फार्मूला.
Now click on the subscription button below to subscribe the channel, then the bell button to get the notifications of the new videos. Thank you.